Stay connected when installing your SWAFAN EX fans here in our how-to guide. Each kit will include 3 fans to connect by magnetic connection for both the fans and the cables. This allows you to connect one cable for all 3 fans, reducing overall cable quantity in the case and provide better cable management. AIO installations work the same way with options to have the cable on either side. You can place the cable adjacent of the tube end for proper clearance and with only one cable. Each kit includes screws for both case and cooling installs. When using an AIO, we recommend to use what is included with the cooler. Once installed, the fan should spin and light up. Check the mag cable connection to your fan if you see any problems and reconnect if needed. If you experience connection issues between fans, check to make sure you have the fan in the correct position and/or adjust the screws as needed. We hope this helps you get connected even faster with our new SWAFAN EX. Drop us a follow for more.